Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can block a seller on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and tap open your eBay website. So once you're in your eBay website, you need to simply tap on the advanced section after you have got access to your account. So once you have tapped on the advanced section as well, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface which basically looks like this. So once you are in here, you need to simply scroll down and go to the seller section where you can find an option called only show items from. There you can find an option called include and exclude. Once you have tapped on the dongle and selected the exclude option, you can simply type in the name of the seller you want to exclude. After you do so, you need to simply tap on the search section, and once this is done, you can simply exclude that particular seller or block the seller on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.